This here is our miter saw, and what we're going to do is we're going to set this up to cut the joints. What we're going to do is we're going to clamp a small block of wood 60 millimeters from where the cut is. If we look from the blade here, we can see where 6 is in centimeters, and we're going to clamp a block of wood using a small clamp onto the miter saw, like so. So we clap this is what's called a stop, and we're going to use this stop to get everything nice and accurate. So for the first cut, we place our 250mm piece of wood into the miter saw. I'm pushing the wood up against the stop, and I'm going to produce the first cut halfway down the thickness of the material. I'll know when I've got to the right point because of the line that I created earlier. Once I've got to the line, I can then turn it over and I can create the second cut. So these form the first 2 cuts that we need to create the join. The second cuts are created using a spacer. So this is my spacer here. It's just a scrap block of wood, and I'm going to put the spacer up against the stop, place the work back into the miter saw, and cut the second side. So that's the first side done. Second side done. What I now need to do is remove this excess material using a chisel. So I'm now going to show you how to remove that excess material.